like a bullet. Hot, 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 them can't cool it. Time is now, I feel do with narcotics. Step to the gorilla, them it get tragic actually. Not TikTok, no normally carbon it. Girl spread out, tack it on it, italics. No joke, me nah panic. Damn church, they know me born for iconic. Man a gorilla with a regular.
Alright people, my 2 cents. This is what I feel. This is my honest opinion from the depths of my soul. This is my honest opinion. Me feel say any other for launch one investigation pan. You see in both pertaining to what happened. I feel one deserve for launch pan Bro God, and one deserve for launch pan the leader of the opposition. My opinion that. Bro God, me think man for lead by example, you know. Me feel like man for lead by example. So if you don't lead by example, anything you do, you will follow. Anything you lead off your position, you do lead off your position, and who know we are follow to. You understand? So me feel like say any other investigation for land pan you see in both investigation supposed to land pan the JLP and pan the PMP. You hear about the spikes of coronavirus? I know you see in both here that come from. I know you see in both there that come from. It a come from the campaign them on Avagwan. The whole heap of campaign them and the whole heap of gathering them. You see, people they are so into winning that them don't even care who have a mask and who are social distance and who they near and who they far. Bus driver they don't care about the money where them get for care people the back and forth. They don't care who are coming in the bus with mask or without no mask. No sanitization not going in there. Not like that not going in there. No social distance not going in there. No bus not anything. You understand? Because me did it and missy with me too yeah them. So me feel like say for investigation for launch man you see in both investigation need for launch man the leader of the country and the leader of the opposition, the whole I don't forget it. So I don't know when I jump and I come go and like say, are you seeing both one cause coronavirus and are you seeing like a party make a country then at the melon now? Oh no, same one. We are talking about social distance. Me feel like the country run with an iron fist. Me don't know why me feel like that, but me feel like the country rule with an iron fist. Lock down this, lock down that, but yet still, September 3rd, what we are going to lock? How much places, how much polling station we are going to lock? How much social distance we are going to have down there? Anyways, make that state till the day come. People, me can't understand you know. Me can't understand you Jamaican people, you know. If like today we are free and tomorrow you just throw it to the dogs. Like say, you flip flop, you don't know when to stand flat footed for somebody or stand for something. What here? The whole of we when you see in Bolt a tear up the country and the whole world, the whole of we said so. And everybody said so. And everybody are real for you see in Bolt. Now the youth come in like say youth fall now a little teeny problem. Minor problem, because this too shall pass. It's like some comment me here. It should have turned a yard in party too much and everybody have something negative to say about the youth. You understand? Nobody, me not see nobody really are pushing for say boy. Your condolence, you see it. Everything will be alright, man. Stay strong, brother. Ray, we there for support you and give some remedy and all them kind of thing. It's like everybody willing to cut the youth short. You see him both have a party and enjoy himself. No, because you know what? The man sacrificed him childhood for make himself and we Jamaican great. Him never just lie down in a bed and sleep like how summer we sleep. Until sun hot. 5 o'clock a morning time, 4 o'clock a morning time, the youth depend it track a run back and forth to make himself and we Jamaican great. Why you think we have the fastest man in the world? It takes sacrifice. And now the youth beat all odds. You know, if it's a time for you enjoy yourself, man. A full time for you enjoy yourself. Now say he do it in a right time. Now say this is the right time that he do all of that. But me feel say you for enjoy yourself to the fullest because you did it and he did great and he not do it for himself but he do it for the country. A full time for enjoy yourself. And he see him set of people there with it and say, yeah, you see him, go, you see him. And I put up flag and now them are going to say, he party too much and him have birthday party and him invite, hey, no easy, you know. Because let me tell you something. Yourself, you see him both ever send us some invitation on the family, some invitation. All the dog in our yard on our walk here. Everybody that charge up them phone and everybody that get ready and everybody want to go snap with you saying and everybody want to go party with you saying because we never get no invitation I'm on party. That's why no found no get for turn up. And true no get for turn up I'm on party now have something bad for say no. Oh you seeing both in party too much and him a father and if he calm down now and if he decent on a loud youth and go. Loud the youth and go on if you learn to stand for somebody sometime. On have a Peter spirit. If Peter Spirit still alive in a Jamaican family, a Jamaican country, is still alive. You remember when time Jesus said, Peter, you know, so before the cockroach return, you're going to tell people, say, you don't know me. And so said, so done. Just one little problem you see and getting, I know, people are going to start turning back, oh, in party too much, allow the youth and go. Leave the youth and go. Enough stand for something sometime. Enough stand flat-footed for something sometime. Stop make every little wind come on the rocks and rocks and rocks. So if you get in a little trouble, advise the youth and say, boy, that and the right decision that you know, daddy, but we die with you. We are going to support you, see, and we are going to tell you what to do. You understand? Instead of start beat him up and all them kind of thing, you love youth because the youth make sacrifice with. The youth make sacrifice himself. And he sacrifice him and try to enjoy himself now. He deserve to enjoy himself now. So on the low you make him stay. You see me I deal with. You see this too shall pass, my youth. This too shall pass, brother. Here what I go tell you one. You see zinc, vitamin C, vitamin D, brother. Just take that. Fly that me know where I go and become me have friends who are nurse and friends who are doctor who tell me about this thing. Vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc. You get the most strongest set of vitamin D from the sun, and take vitamin C, which is orange and lime. Use it, brother, and this too shall pass. Stay away, quarantine. Make sure you get as much sun as you possibly can, and this too shall pass. You hear me, brother? So nobody worry yourself about Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt, all right. Him can call doctor come and here come take care of him, and he's a good youth. He's a good youth because if none of them in friend them associate with catchy, he will reach out to because he's a good youth and if he give me props. You understand? Blame on a leader and on a leader of opposition we're so desperate for power. Also desperate to be in control that them don't care about Uno. You understand? Who call on what they are going to $10,000 like a money that them are going to for one I got you. Hey, listen man. Uno stand for something man.
This up for you like a bullet. Hot. Them can't cool it. Time is now, I feel do with narcotics. Step to the gorilla, them it get tragic actually. Not TikTok, no normally carbon it. Yellow spread out, tack it on it, italics. No joke, me nah panic. Talk short, they know me born for iconic. Man a gorilla.